There's no reason for it. There's no reason for this. This is ridiculous. Come on! This is ridiculous.
She's so small.
Come on, there's no reason.
I just graduated from Stanford. Really? Are you serious?
Come on, why are you picking on her?
What'd she do?
She didn't do anything wrong.
She didn't do anything wrong. Guys, take a picture of it. Cover the scene. Cover the scene.
She's a little girl.
She's
Come
a little
on.
girl. What the hell she do? Fuck you, cops. Seriously? What are you doing?
Hell?
What are you fucking doing? You're containing a little girl? You are fucking stupid. You are the most...
Quiet. I'm trying to get this on film, and you're not helping me. Because you're sounding drunk. You're not. You don't need that.